Hi, this is Bob with Gibbs RV, and today we're looking at a 2018 Wildwood from Forest River, model 27 REIS. It has opposing rear slide outs that really give this coach an open feeling inside. It has the power hitch jack, T6 aluminum exterior. You're not going to get delamination on one of these. Extra large storage compartment, you can see here. Lock your stuff up high and dry. This does have a little damage. This is a consignment. There's a couple things I'm going to show you here, like some of the blinds need to be redone, and this J-pan has got some damage. The guy was leaving and just didn't want to fix it. Big slide out and another slide out. Power. LED light rope behind. Outside speakers. Extra wide radio entry door. Makes for easy egress in and out. Extra large windows. Really let the light in. Back side here you can see our power jacks, electronic stabilizer jacks, bumper, spare tire, and here's the back side. You can see the slide outs from here. Other than that damage and some of these blinds needing to be redone, this thing is in really good shape. I want to show you inside when we walk in. There's the model at the top. Let's take a look at that real quick. When you walk in, just look at how open this is with the slide out on this side and the slide out on the other side. Has a kitchen center island, solid surface top on the countertops. Has the flex hose. Kitchen area, we've got built-in backsplash, 3-burner stove. Look at that, doesn't even appear to have been used. Built-in knife rack, stainless on the refrigerator and oven. Freezer up top. Glass panel cabinets, microwave, also stainless. We've got pantry storage. And speaking of storage, lots of storage. This little center island just gives you a whole bunch of options as far as meal prep and serving your meals. Dinette booth has storage underneath, and it makes into a bed, of course. We've got 2 recliners facing our electric fireplace. There probably was a TV at one point in time. And we have looks like it's a Jensen AM, FM, CD, DVD player. Different types of light settings. In the bedroom, we've got queen-size bed, wardrobes on both sides. There's even a hamper chute here if you want to put a laundry hamper down below. You can throw your the dirty laundry in there. And lastly, the bathroom. We step inside. Got this toilet, shower stall, skylight, actual linen storage. That's kind of cool. Our medicine cabinet and sink, and a power exhaust fan. This 2018 Wildwood 27 REIS is right here at Gibbs RV in Coos Bay. 1-800-824-4388. See us on the web at www.gibbsrv.com.